Hey, so I'm here with Francis Goodall, and we are here to talk to you a little bit more about our full 1 day immersion workshop coming up on Saturday, the 27th of April, 10:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. This is going to be happening at a beautiful space in Sheffield. And, I'd like to know from you, Francis, just a little bit more about the work that you're going to be doing on this retreat. I'm going to be doing the singing type work, but yeah, looking at more about what you are going to be doing there.
Yeah, so I'm going to be inviting you all in small groups to have an experience of stepping through a mini constellation to support you yourself to get more connected to your sacred heart, to your soul purpose, and to explore what's blocking that, and have the support of the group stepping into different positions for you, embodying those different aspects to support you to connect more deeply to your sacred heart, and to get some learnings and some insight through that process. And I'll be drawing in elements of my learning from family constellations work and from internal family systems work and different kinds of constellation work into this, the work we'll be doing together today, which I believe from experience will be deeply powerful and deeply healing, and works really well with what Mike's bringing to the retreat, to the day retreat. Yeah.
Thank you. So yeah, join us Saturday, the 27th of April for our 1 day workshop, Embodying Your Sacred Heart.